So I've been going a couple of weeks, or really a little over a month, and it seems like a lot of sneakers that we are scheduled to get still ain't here. It seems like I've been going for a long time, but yet nothing has dropped of significance. And I have a couple of those sneakers that I want to talk about today. But yeah, man, it ain't slowing down no time soon, and then even ramping up in 2026. It's just we're in a totally different sneaker space because we get so many gems, bro. We closing out the year with a bang. We gotta talk about today's video, man. Yo, what's going on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping back into another one of them ones. I hope you guys enjoyed the other video we just dropped about, my top 5 fragrances that I recommend you guys to have in your arsenal, having your, your collection, your go-tos. That was my top 5 go-tos. I have a lot more fragrances, but we're gonna probably sprinkle that in the content as well, kind of help you guys out. Of course, to do fashion. Now I've got adding, how to smell good, how to look good. Of course, how to fresh niggas, But if you guys new here, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, run them likes, so we can't get nowhere without you guys likes. So if y'all here, y'all tapped in, run them likes up for your boy the Vintage, man. All right, guys, and the first thing I did want to talk about that I'm still surprised that I still have them early, bro. They still have not released yet, and it is the Air Jordan 12 taxis, bro. I have literally stopped doing sneaker YouTube and came back, and these still have not released. I guess it just came back at the right time, you feel me? But I had to talk about this right here. I know a lot of people were complaining about the shape, so I had to make a video kind of talking about the complaints and the gripes and the issues people have with the taxi, because we waited so long to get them. Who will want them to not be exactly what we expected? And again, this shape is a little, a little crazy, but it's still the taxi, so I think that they still will do very, very well. So if you're still kind of on the fence about grabbing the taxi because of the shape, you sit in your little corner, you go put your nose in the corner by yourself, because there's going to be so many people out there trying to grab a pair of taxis. It's crazy. Just wait till the release date. Definitely got to do a vlog, see how the release kind of shapes out to be. And yeah, man, I think the taxi, they're staple. They're a staple Air Jordan colorway, staple Air Jordan 12. And I say this is the best Jordan 12 colorway. So if you guys got any, complaints about that one, is the flu games, is the taxis, is it the playoffs? Which 12 is the best 12 of all time? Me personally, man, I gotta go with the taxi, but I'll probably be a little biased because I'll probably have said the flu games is better. But it's like one of those things, right? When you get it, you all on that shoe, then there's another shoe drop, a fresh pair of taxis, then you're all on the hype for the taxis. So it is what it is. But I do think, I'm gonna stamp it today. Any 12, you gotta have one 12 for the rest of your life. I'm going with the taxi. Super versatile. You can wear it with anything, any color you want. You can pull these joints out, and I cannot wait to throw them on. I still haven't thrown them on feet, bro. I literally I've yet to throw them on feet, so we gotta do that very, very soon. If you guys want to see a review and on feet, please let me know in the comment section. Y'all spam the likes. Gotta show some engagement. I would definitely, get back to doing on feet. You guys recently ain't been watching them, so I might have to just tap back in, do them, and start kind of how we started the channel, was reviews and on feet, man. And then next, I had to talk about it, bro. I had to talk about them, and it is the Air Jordan 4 Black Cats. Now, again, this is a shoe that released back in 2020 or 2021. And they literally were sitting everywhere. Next thing you know, they sold out, and then they started going for a crazy amount of prices. Like, it was like actually touching thousands of dollars in some sizes. And now we are getting a new pair, but with the Nike Air on the back. And I do feel crazy still to this day. Like, I have a fresh pair of kicks, almost like the flu game situation. I had the 2016 flu games, still crispy, and then I turned around and still bought the 2025. So why did I do that? I don't know. It's like the sneakerhead, realm kind of puts you in a chokehold, and it makes you buy the shoes. It's really an addiction, bro. It's a healthy addiction. So, we got to separate the differences between addictions. I don't think buying shoes is a bad addiction, as long as you are prioritizing, the right expenses. If you ain't got no money, you shouldn't be buying those shoes. I got to put that out there. But again, same thing for the Black Cat 4s. I will still have the 2025 pair. You know why? Because it has a Nike Air on the back. And I do think that's going to have the same type of impact. Going to have that same type of, people showing out to try to get these things as they did in 2020 and 2021. Even though these set for a while, the next, pairs are drying up. I think the Black Cat 4s are instantly going to start drying up, going to start selling out, dropping around that Black Friday time frame. Everybody ready to spend money. Everybody ready to get an all black pair of kicks. It's going to be a great, Christmas gift to one another. these are going to do some numbers. I'm telling you that right now. And not numbers in terms of resale value, but numbers in terms of pairs flying off the shelves. People going to the store and kind of saying, yo, I need a pair of black hats. You can't go wrong with them. And what's crazy about this pair is I rarely worn these. So now I can beat bro, it don't even like I wore them. I know I have worn them. I got some pictures in them, but I need to put some more, damage on the 2020 pair or 2021. Y'all don't quote me, please. One of those years, but I gotta put some more damage to these, and then yeah, go up to a size 9.5, because that 9.5 feels a lot better for me, a half size up in my Air Jordan 4s and my Jordan 11s and my Jordan 3s too. I've been going up a half a size, but soon as we get those pairs in, I will kind of do a review on feet for the pair to kind of break them down, check them out, and just overall break them down again, because we already did a video 5 years ago. We got them again. I'm still on YouTube talking about shoes, so I just gotta reintroduce them to you guys, show you what they're looking like with the Nike Air, and then go from there, man. So yeah, man, we got 2 upcoming bangers on our hand. They are almost here, bro. These release on the 8th of November, I believe, which is this weekend. These release this weekend, and we have the Black Cat 4s, which release on the weekend of Black Friday. The Black Friday or the weekend of Black Friday? You guys help me on the comment section. I still got to wrap my hand around everything, see what's going on. I hear about shot drops to the Travis Scotts, and I got to see everything that's popping. I also seen some Soulfly 3s, and them joints is looking crazy. So I might have to pull the trigger on them, man. Your boy back buying shoes, back ass up in the collection. And what's crazy is I doubled up on the Undefeated 4s. I doubled up on the Foam Posit Galaxies. And it's another shoe that I got to double up on the way on. You guys could probably figure and guess what it is, man. But yeah, some of these shoes this year, man, I had to double up. And if you guys have doubled up on anything, please let me know in the comment section. We got a bunch of stuff coming in. When I tell you guys, I probably dropped by a smooth $1,200–$1,500 on shoes in the last couple days, just to kind of get the content back swinging things, because I'm trying to go, dive straight back into it, give you guys that nice quality content, breaking down sneakers, showing you guys early looks and stuff like that. And yeah, I spent a cool little smooth stack of some kicks just over the last couple days. And then I also bought some more fragrances that I want to start incorporating into the videos. I don't know if I want to do full videos or kind of like add it onto the videos I'm doing. So if you guys want to know about the best fragrances to rock, know about the best hats to get, of course I'm always buy hats, have so many of those things, so I gotta like encompass it all into the content and not just strictly do the sneakers, because we're still gonna be doing fitness, we're still gonna be doing lifestyle vlogs, we're still gonna be doing all that to kind of put you guys on. Y'all gotta see what your boy the Vintage like. Y'all gonna see what I be doing day to day, and we're gonna keep it rocking like that. But if you guys are new here to the channel right now, we need everybody to do, man, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy, and run them likes up. If you don't do nothing else, man, run them likes up for your boy the Vintage. It will go greatly a long way and help the channel out. And we're gonna bring more people to the channel, and and grow the Vintage squad like that, man. But I love y'all, I appreciate y'all. I've always been saying, your boy the Vintage. I'll catch you guys in next video, man. Peace.